Hey there lovely people on the internet. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are gonna create this awesome sign in and sign up form with sliding effect using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Create a folder, Forms. Open it with VS Code editor. Create an index.html file, a style.css file, an app.js file, basic HTML5 structure, rename the title, link the CSS file, and link the JavaScript file. At first create a forms wrapper, form btns, then add two buttons, sign in and sign up, and add a btn indicator. Open it with live server. Now another div, forms. At first create the sign in form. Take an input, type email. Take another input, type password. Another input, type checkbox, we remember. Take a label for remember. Remember me. Input, type submit, sign in. Go to the fonts.google.com, search for enter, select the regular and bold, copy this line, paste it here. Now add some common CSS. Let's style the body. Font family will be Inter. Body height will be 100 VH. Display will be flex. Justify content center. Align item center. Now let's style the forms wrapper. Now let's write CSS for form btns. margin 10 pixel for top, 20 pixel for left and right, and 20 pixel for bottom. Now let's write CSS for form buttons and button. It's time to style the button indicator. Let's add the index of 2 on the button. Now style the form. Style the input. Let's fix the checkbox. Let's style the submit button. Let's add a hover effect on the submit button. We can add a smooth transition. Duplicate the form and name it to sign up form. We need an extra input for name. Type text. ID will be terms and level for terms. Value sign up. These two forms should be next to each other. Forms, display flex. Now they are next to each other. Whenever we click on sign up button, the form should slide. It's time to write some JavaScript. Create a variable of forms wrapper. Document.querySelector and the class forms wrapper. Another variable of sign-in btn. Document.querySelector and the class sign-in btn. Duplicate this line. This is for sign up btn. Again duplicate this line. And this variable is for btn indicator. Create a variable of sign up form. Document.getElement by id. Sign in form. Duplicate this line. Sign up form. This should be sign in form. Let's add an event on sign up btn. Sign in form dot style dot margin left minus 280 pixel. It's working. You also need to adjust the height of the form wrapper. Form wrapper dot style dot height 430 pixel. Perfect. Now let's move the btn indicator. Btn indicator dot style dot margin left 128 pixel. It works quickly. We need to make it smooth. Go back to the style sheet. Add a transition on the form. You also need to add transition on forms wrapper. And add a transition on btn indicator. Perfect. Now we need to add event on sign in btn. Sign in form dot style dot margin left 20 pixel. Let's adjust the height of the form wrapper. Let's move the btn indicator. Perfect. We don't want to show the form outside the form wrapper. So go back to the style sheet, forms wrapper, overflow hidden. It works perfectly. This is how we can create sign in and sign up form with sliding effect using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you learned anything from this video, like this video, comment on this video, share this video on the internet and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.